So here we have a 1996 351 in Windsor 5.8 liter motor. Want to show how to do valve seals on them. If you're wondering, this is the truck, 96 F-150. Blew a head gasket. It's my truck. So while we're here doing the head gasket, figured why not do valve seals and lap the valves and all that. And found it's hard to find information, so I wanted to do this quick video of doing valve seals. I got a Fel-Pro kit. In that Fel-Pro kit came black valve seals and blue valve seals. And there's no instructions, so I'm kind of just going off of forums here, but what I found was the black valve seals were for the exhaust and the blue valve seals were for the intake. When I pulled the old valve seals off, it had an orange one on the exhaust and a black one on the intake. But from what I'm finding, if it's blue and black, it's blue for the intake, black for the exhaust. So I just kind of wanted to show how I'm doing these. Comes with this little valve guide protector. So you just slide it over. I do one side at a time, or all of one seal at a time, so all intakes, and now I'm doing all exhausts. What I've been doing, taking valve seals, spraying them with silicone spray, and you just slide them over. This is going to be really hard to do one-handed. Try and set you up here. So hold the valve, slide the seal over as far down as you can, and just kind of repeat the process over and over and over again until you're all done. So we got the second one here, and push it all the way down. And show this last one here. So now they're all down. I've been taking a little flat washer, sliding it over a 12mm socket, and just giving them a little tap with a dead blow. Making sure that they're all seated. I don't know if you can see it, but that one did actually seat down some. So we'll go ahead and do that for all of them. You can hear that nice solid thud. That's how you know it's all the way down. I'm not hitting it too hard. I also wanted to show this is just a normal dead blow. It's not a brass cap, metal cap, nothing. Just a normal basic dead blow. This one specifically, I think, is a 16 ounce, 24 ounce. That's all you really need. Then you go ahead, put your valve springs back on, and you're all good to go.